Hi, this is Michelle McLean, and this is a short video explaining how to use the tables. So let's go ahead and look at this homework question. It says determine the probability P of 5 for a binomial experiment with n equals 10 trials and the success probability P equals 0.3. Then they actually find the mean, variance, and standard deviation. So for this video, I'm only showing how to find the probability P of 5. For the mean, variance, and standard deviation, you are simply going to plug in your N and P into the formula, and you can, use your calculator to figure that out. So let's go ahead and find the probability of P of 5, okay? So I want to let you know that 5 is going to equal to x, so you might want to jot this down. X is equal to 5, we have n is 10, and p is 0.3. So all of that is coming from our problem. So we're going to go to this right side with our panel of buttons, and we're going to click on tables. Right? And so after a minute, your tables are going to load up. We are going to be using the binomial probabilities. Right? So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And I'm going to stop share real quick. I'm going to reshare my screen. So I want to make sure you can see our tables here. Okay, so I'm going to make this bigger. So you can see table A1 is our binomial probabilities. That's what we're working with. So we're going to go to table A1. Notice we have N and then X. So that's the two columns we're going to look at first. And then, of course, we have P of 0.3. So we're going to see where these two column and rows intersect. So we said that N is 10. So that means I need to scroll down and find n to be 10. So it looks like it's on the next page. All right, so we're looking up top, n is 10, and we said x is 5. And we're going to go across until we see the probability of p to be 0.3. So here's that intersection. So that means our answer is going to be 0.103. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize my tables, and then you would simply type in that value and you would check. All right, well, it's telling me to fill in the rest of the boxes, but that's how you go ahead and you find the probability using the tables. So hopefully you find this video helpful. If you've got any questions further using the tables, feel free to email me.